2 years, 100 side projects, and a brand new kid later, I can finally say that I finished the foyer. And to all my new friends joining from the madness of my Vertical Diaries series, welcome, welcome, welcome. Get ready, y'all, because this foyer glow up is well worth the wait and the chaos. Hey guys, so this is day 2, I believe, of working in the foyer. Off camera, I primed the ceiling, painted the ceiling. I also went around with some caulk to caulk in like the gaps. I figured that was not really interesting for you guys to watch. So I got that done, and now I can get to the fun part, which is going to be working on the front door. You can see the lovely stained glass. There's wood on this side, and then on this side is like a blue color. So my goal for today is to get this clean. I got just like a dish rag and also some simple green all-purpose cleaner. So yeah, we're gonna give this a try and see how this works out. This is already paint in my hair from yesterday, so oh well. But yeah, let's get this cleaned up so hopefully we can paint it over the weekend.
I had one that looked like a butterfly one day, so I took a picture of it because my wife loves butterflies.
That's so sweet. Okay, so it is a brand new day. I lost my microphone, so I'm micless, but the kids are taking a nap. Dad is downstairs working out, so I got, all of my me time, and this is what I want to get done. I went and bought some paint yesterday. This is my first time trying Benjamin Moore. The color is Denim Wash. I'm really excited because I have a pretty blue rug that I think is going to go awesome with this color. But yeah, enough talking. We're just going to get to painting and let's see how it looks. Okay, so I absolutely love it. It kind of looks like the blue in the laundry room though. I don't know what color that one is. I'll see if I can find that color and maybe do like a side-by-side match to let you guys see. But blue is my happy color, so even if it is the same color, that's fine with me. I will say that for this room, I started just by I took a picture of the door and put it on ChatGPT, kind of looking for inspiration. And I was stuck between green or blue or like a beige creamy color. Because the big thing is this stained glass shows like yellow and whatever this is. So I think I might have to Google like just a rug with blue in it, and I found the most gorgeous rug ever, and that is what I'm building from for this room. Can't wait to show you guys the rug. Okay, so it is 9:33 p.m. and my babies have worked my last nerve, and maybe even the nerves after that, but they didn't got a mommy nerves today, so I need just a little bit of paint therapy. And I figured, hey, why not go ahead and paint this trim? At first I thought I was gonna do it white, but now I'm thinking I want it to be blue. But I'm gonna at least prime it first, and that way I can kind of get a feel for if I want white or blue, because either way they would have to be primed. And while I do this, I have the baby monitor to watch them because they're unhinged. They're terrible, y'all. I can't do nothing with them. I can't do nothing with either one of them. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out on them.
Come pick me up, drag me from the shadows, babe. Give me your love, you'll be my escape.
Okay, so this is the first coat of primer, and I think I like the white, or would I also like the blue if I decide to do blue? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. So I think I like that. Yeah, I think I like that a lot. What we need to do next is, of course, we'll do a second coat on the trim, but for the door, I need to start putting the poly top coat on here. And I have several cans, but they're all like semi-gloss, clear gloss, and I don't want gloss. I think I want a satin finish or matte. But to test that out, I went ahead and put the ones that I have on here, just on this part. This is the semi-gloss, and you see this is too shiny, and I don't like how it looks. So it's like this level of shininess sheen versus just the plain one. That's shiny because that's wet, obviously. But that's what I'm thinking. I need to go to the store to get some. But yeah, that's what's next. And then we can start maybe decorating. I'm going to replace the switches as well as the outlet in here. I probably won't record that since I've done enough of that for you guys, I think. But yeah, I'm going to replace those, do a little cleaning in here, and then maybe we can start decorating. I don't know if this video will be out before or after, but we're planning to throw Amari's birthday party here at the house. For a lot of my family members, this will be the first time being over. For some, they came for Amari's first birthday party. He's turning 5 now, so that shows you how long. And I can't wait to kind of show the growth and progress that we've made here at the crib. So we'll see if we can at least get this room done, and maybe I won't start anything else after that. But yeah, that's it. Peace. Bye. Uh-oh. Okay, y'all. It's been a long day. We are getting ready to have a birthday party here at the house. So I got projects all over. I'm trying to finish up this one. I started some other ones. We're trying to get a yard ready for the party. We got to clean up the inside of the house for the party. It's a lot going on, but I have put liquid masking tape on this glass because at first I thought that I could tape it off, but that took entirely too long. And yesterday I went to Lowe's and got some spray paint to spray whatever this is called. And this is like my barrier or protection from overspray. Don't judge me. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay, so here's a random clip where something weird was going on with my mic, so there's no audio, and honestly, I can't even remember what I was talking about. Probably something about finally having the matte top coat to put on the door. If you want to know, Mel, why is this even in the video then? Why didn't you edit this out? But baby, look at the twist. The twists were twisting. Look at the hydration, the shine. Y'all had to see this. So yeah, I left it in here. Hey, y'all. I've been wanting to finish up in this room. I am in the Foyer. Yeah. But yeah, still love the door. But now I'm ready to kind of just be done with it. And I've been feeling like I've been looking real busted. So I haven't recorded anything, but y'all gonna get these little doobie twists and braids. It is what it is. Because I can't wait to see how this turns out. So yeah, let's open the door and get into today's video for, the today of the video. Because I probably won't get done today. It is what it is. Okay, so on this particular day, I actually didn't do anything but sweep, mop, and clean the baseboard. So a whole lot, but not really. So yeah. Okay, so it's clean in here. I mop, I swept, I cleaned the baseboards, I've cleaned the door, the mirror that's down there, the lights. So now we can get into some of the fun stuff. Okay, so this rug I got from Ashley's Furniture. I was just sitting on the couch one night and I was like, oh, let me Google a blue rug to see what comes up. And it popped up. I felt like it was a really good price. It was super, super cute. And I was like, ooh. Now that I see it, I have to have that. Although I don't think I had started in this room yet. So I didn't have a paint color for the door. But I figured, hey, this, blue is my happy color. So here we are. Okay, I'm a little nervous. It's not looking how it did in the picture, but I'm gonna get it all the way out and see how I feel. I like it. Okay. I was worried for a minute because I didn't want it to be too matchy. But I do like just that. I feel like it does all tie in together. So I think that's perfect size. Okay, yeah, I like that. Here's what I'm thinking. So this mirror, this was from our time when we had in Jonesboro. But I'm thinking I want it to go in between these lights. Like this. Or it could go like this. Y'all let me know which one you think is better. This one. Uh-oh. Or this way. Okay, so after getting the rug down, y'all, I was super in love. Then I started spiraling and asking all type of questions and options. It's like, okay, for the mirror, do I mount it vertical? Do I mount it horizontal? Do I even do the mirror, or should I do artwork instead? Because if I do artwork, is it going to clash with the rug? Because the rug is already kind of busy. I started debating if I wanted to leave the bench there, or do I want to instead do a console table? But then y'all know I think I'm Big Barbara the Builder. So it's like I refuse to buy a console table when I could just make one. Like it's either going to be 4 pieces of wood or 3. And that could be that. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think about all of the options that are just rambling through my brain. And then even if you see, like, once you watch the end of the video so you can see what it looks like now, but do let me know in the comments what you think I should change, if anything. Okay, so I don't know how long it's been since I've been working in this room. I know at least 2 weeks. But yeah, I want to mount the mirror today. So I believe somebody just woke up from a nap. Yes. You okay? So I don't really know what I'm doing, but that's the thing about my whole channel. I never really claimed to. Okay. I tried this little mountain hack that I saw on TikTok, Instagram, or somewhere, and y'all, this is the first hack or, little DIY tip that I've seen on social media and have actually been able to do correctly. So super proud of that because it did work out. Yeah. That's why, y'all. That's why. I think that's cute. So ideally, I would want to have maybe a round mirror, or at the very least something with an arch to kind of round out the space in here, because I have a rectangle where I have this bench right here. So just not to make it too boxy, but I don't know if the shape of the stained glass that you're seeing there and that door kind of helps out with just this different geometrical shapes of blah blah blah. I don't know, not gonna pretend to be a designer, but I think this is cute for now. I've had this for years, so it's free. What I am going to do is put all of this away, clean this mirror, and also try to get those stuff marks that I just left, trying to actually hang it, and then we'll come back and get a final look. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I just cleaned the mirror, put all my tools away, re-Vaseline my lips. But let's get into it. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's cute. I like it. Let me give y'all a hold. Let me turn my camera so you can see the full vibe.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be.
Over 2 years in the making, and I can finally say that this room is complete. And y'all know that for right now, this is going to be my favorite room in the house. Until next time, thanks for watching. You can hit my phone.